Good morning everyone from Puerto de la Cruz. Walking El Niño, Agatha Christie stairs. Cachorrito bonito. Hola. Morning, ladies.
Morning.
I'm going to La Orotava today. Gonna be La Romeria, amazing. The most beautiful probably in Tenerife. This is new. Wooden. Okay, maybe information panel or something. We'll see. Mirador La Paz. En Playa de Martianes. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Best greetings from Puerto and viva la música.